Establishing whether your surveying dumpy level has an error is important to ensure you can accurately set survey levels on your construction site. In this guide, we will show you how to check your dumpy level instrument for height errors using a two-peg test. We have assumed that you have a basic understanding of how a dumpy level works. A two-point test checks whether your dumpy level is capable of showing a true horizontal reading. This is vital to ensure your measurements are accurate and reliable. The two-peg test tells you the measurement that your level is out over the distance you test over. If the two-peg test is showing an unacceptable error, then you must withdraw the equipment and get it serviced by an appropriate company. Set up your dumpy level halfway between each of the points approximately 13 meters along the line. Once you have done this, ensure your dumpy level is leveled using the precision leveling thumb screws. Once leveled, using another person, place your staff on point A and record the height of the peg as accurately as possible. Write this figure down, labeling it as P1 peg A. And in our case, P1 peg A value is 1539. Next, do the same at point B and record the height as P1 peg B. For our case, the value at P1 peg B is 1770. Now, move your dumpy level to approximately 3 meters away from point A. Set up and level the instrument. As you continue to set up the dumpy level, instruct your staff man to remain at point P1 peg B and read the reading, now booking the point as point P2 peg B and book the reading. And in this case, the reading is 1972. Instruct the staff man now to move back to the initial point P1 point A, and now the reading will be read as for point P2 peg A. And the reading at this point, P2, peg A, is 1741. Now that all the readings have been booked, now let's compute and see if the instrument has an error or it doesn't. When we compute our values, point P1, peg A value is 1539. Subtract from the value of point P1, peg B, which has a value of 1770, the difference is 231. Then now take the value of point P2, peg A with a value of 1741, and subtract it from the value of point P2. Peg B with value of 1970 to the difference is 231. Therefore, P1A minus P1B minus P to A minus P to B equals to 131 minus to 131, which gives you 0. Therefore, our instrument didn't have an error. Our instrument has no error.
I need you to move that staff to point B now. All right, I am moving to the next point. Perfect, the error is within limits.